Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I wanted to give you a kind of a day 50 plus update on these headphones. So these are the Mixcder E9 Bluetooth sound counseling headphones, and you know what? I've been using these pretty much anytime I'm listening to music at home or when I'm editing video. So the really nice thing, of course, is that they do have that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack in the bottom, and I can actually run these without using any of the battery power whatsoever. So if I want to, I can have the Bluetooth enabled, or I can have it disabled. I can have a direct plug-in here, and I can of course enable the sound counseling without even turning on the Bluetooth, which is a nice touch so long as you remember to actually turn it off. Thankfully, that's not been the case where I have forgotten to do that. I've never been in a situation where I was in a long listening session or doing any work where all of a sudden the battery started to die. So the battery capacity is a pretty agreeable amount, and then of course if you're just topping it up like you would any other electronic device every once in a while, then you're pretty good to go. You can even use the Bluetooth connectivity to figure out how much power is left in the device just at a quick glance, which is also pretty handy. But honestly, sound quality is good. The construction is good, the accessories are good, like everything about these is good. I really have no complaints. So I know this isn't going to be a terribly long video, but when my conclusions are really all positive and speak well to this, the only thing that I'll say is that, it's a pretty safe purchase to make. Yeah, there are headphones out there that are going to have a lot more bells and whistles, and the build quality might be even better than these, but you know what? I am not upset whatsoever with the quality of these for the use that I am putting them through. And keep in mind, that's pretty much studio and home use. I'm not entirely sure if I use these every single day, how they would go. If I'm ever in a position to do that, I will certainly update you folks with another video. But know that these are a pretty sound purchase. I'm just going to go before you riot in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.